Hello, in this video I'll show you how to configure permissions on a workflow based on the field level. So I will go to the application on the designer mode. I will go to the form that I'm working on, to workflow. If I go to the newest stage on this workflow, I have given access to the users and also to developers to the records that are on this stage. However, I want the users to view this entire section, but I don't want them to view this section that is exclusively for developers. So what I'm going to do is, on the new stage, I select the users and then I decide to hide the entire section. For the developers, I want them to view all the fields, but I don't want them to edit any of these fields. So what I'm going to do is to give them access to view the fields, but read only, except the last field, which is the issue code. They will be able to view, but also they will be able to edit this particular field. Okay, moving on to the next stage, to the in progress, the developers have access to the records in this status. Under this status, under this stage, I want the developers to view only the entire information, all the fields. So I decide to make read only the entire section, and therefore all the fields that belong to that section inherit this property. I want them to be able to view and edit this section, and in the next status, which is closed, the users have access, but I want them to view only the entire information, and same for the admins. They will be able to view all the data, but not to edit. I save the changes, and now I go to the end user environment, to the users, to the issues form. Now I will create a new record, and since I am acting as a user, I cannot view the second section, which was the developers section. Okay, now I save this, and what I'm going to do is to switch to a developer profile. Now, as a developer, I have access to this record, but I cannot edit any of these fields except the issue code, which I configured this way. Still investigating. And then obviously I do have access to the developers section because that's what we configured. So this issue has been resolved. And now I will close this record. Now this record is closed and there is no action that can be taken on any of these fields, since that is what I configured. And that is how you configure the field level permissions on a workflow. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.